From Bimota to Vincent, I've been intimate with a lot of really exotic motorcycles. And yet, even the most humble machines can have lessons for us. I bought this for my girlfriend Ansley for her birthday. Now, she's sort of curious about motorcycles, but she loves Prince. And if you're going to build a replica of the motorcycle that Prince rode in the 1984 feature-length film Urkel Rain, you have to have two things: a Howe wind cutter fairing and a Honda CM400A. The lesson that this motorcycle has for us is two things: ergonomics and accessibility. Prince, at 5'3" and 110 pounds, successfully piloted this motorcycle on camera and even performed some of his own stunts. It's so easy to ride. While it has all the charm of a wet leaf, the 2-speed automatic is actually really fun. I find myself, when I ride this bike, grinning from ear to ear. And because of its beautiful ergonomic setup, just about anybody can ride this motorcycle. So, the process of transformation into the Urkel Rain motorcycle will be happening in the next couple of months. Stay tuned for more.